Hey everyone, Gil here on GrayManPrepping. On this episode of Your Prep for Today, I want to talk to you about training, specifically training hikes in the rain. But before that, if you haven't had a chance to subscribe, now's a great time. Just click that red button right down there and turn it from red to gray. And then don't forget, hit the notification bell. That way you get notified every time I post a video and you don't have to go hunting around for the next video. All right, training hikes in the rain. Why? Well, you can't always count on the weather being all nice, sunny, and warm. Sometimes something's gonna happen, and you're gonna be stuck out there either in the rain or in the snow or in high winds. You can be out there in inclement weather, and so why should you train for it now? So that when you're in that situation, you know what you need to do. Because if you never train for hiking in the rain and say your car breaks down and you need to hike home in the rain, you're ready for it if you've already trained for it and you're not suffering. All righty. If you're out having to hike home with a broken down car, you can't cut your hike short and return home real quick because, hey, that's what you're trying to do is get home. On a training hike, if you're out there and you realize, oh, crud, I didn't prepare for this properly, you can cut your hike short, turn around, come home, fix whatever it is that you were short on that was going wrong, and try it again. So that's what training hikes are for, is to get you to be able to work out the problems and get them fixed so that you can do it properly. All right? So with that, stay happy no matter what life throws at you. Stay safe. Don't go out and do anything foolish. And most important of all, keep on prepping, getting prepared in all aspects, food, water, physical endurance, and everything else. And this is why.